So welcome back to our family's kitchen. Today we are presenting a slow cooker crock pot version of Creole chicken with pasta. This dish can literally be made with one hand. And I say that with great respect because this video is dedicated to my daughter, a stroke survivor. 22 years ago, she suffered a massive stroke that left one side of her body paralyzed. Besides having an amazing positive attitude, she has learned and/or taught herself to be very self-sufficient, including making dishes like the one you are about to see. If you know of someone in a similar situation, please share this. Perhaps it will inspire them as my daughter has inspired me. We raise a glass to the survivors. Now the recipe for this dish is at the end of the video. But when all is said and done, this one's for you, O'Malley. By the way, if you like what you are hearing or seeing, please share this or tell a friend about us. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. We would appreciate it.